What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Alan. This is Hemi-Driven. By the time this video releases, Sunday. Usually I release on Saturday, but it's been a little while. We're not on our usual schedule for releasing videos. But good news, this charger is coming out soon, full time. We got another COVID cruise today. Hopefully there'll be some more cars showing up in town here in Courtenay. We always attend that, so we're going to attend that. I'm the media guy for the cruise. So anyhow, little trick. You guys see the thumbnail. You guys see the thumbnail. You guys see the title of the video. A little trick to Dodge Charger. Now this is going to be resetting the throttle body. So basically it's just going to relearn the car. The throttle body is just going to relearn the car basically. So you might feel the gas a little bit more peppier, and this does work. I have tried this already today. So it 100% does work. Alright guys, so what you guys are going to want to do first, this is like one of the easiest things. I like to show you guys little tricks like this because I'm also learning little tricks with the Dodge Charger as I go along. So I'll make sure that's turned down so no music is playing. So basically, put the car in run mode, don't turn it on, and then just push the gas pedal down and just hold it for about 20 seconds. So we'll do a little countdown, so we might hold it down for a little longer. So let's. Alright guys, so it's been about 20 seconds, so basically just release it and then turn the car off. Let it sit, everything turn off. I'm basically gonna go upstairs with my kid and get him some dinner, so we will pick up this video in a bit once everything's done resetting and everything like that. I've already done it, I already know what it feels like. It feels a lot better than the vehicle did before. I haven't done this before, so anyhow, we're gonna go upstairs, let the vehicle sit, and let everything turn off. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my upstairs. So we're waiting for the car to the cruise, and so since while we're up here, I figured we'd talk about the giveaway. Now the rules, it's going to be on Instagram, the giveaway video, so you guys are going to make sure you guys go follow FastCat392, description below. We'll be releasing a video this Sunday at 11 o'clock on Instagram, explaining the giveaway, the rules as well, but I'm also going to explain it on here. Sorry if it's so loud, my kid's playing with toys below. I'm a dad. What are you going to do? Anyhow. So, explaining the giveaway. So after I basically release the video, you're going to have to tag one friend on the Instagram, in the comments there below. Tag one friend. You must be a follower on Instagram. You must be a follower on this YouTube channel. So smash the subscribe button, hit the follow button on Instagram. So I need at least 5 subscribers, 5 new subscribers on this channel on YouTube, and I need this video to at least give me 5 likes, and guaranteed someone will be winning this new hoodie. So stay tuned for that. Super cool because we are well over 800 subscribers, so it's that time again that we do another video, or another giveaway, sorry. So I'm going to show you guys the giveaway item. It is another hoodie, so it's another pullover hoodie, but comes in 3 different colors. It's definitely a little different than the last one we tried to do, the next one will probably be a hoodie. I haven't really perfected a hoodie that I want to give away yet, so that's why I'm just doing another hoodie that I already have on here that I kind of like. But see, check it out yourself. It's in the description below. Copy, paste out the link down there on your browser, and it'll take you to my merch page, and yeah, you'll win. So anyhow, we're gonna show you guys here the different colors. So focus. So sorry if you can't really see, but there is the gray. So there's the backing, the lettering in the back. So if you guys can't really see, you're gonna have to go ahead and check out my merch page. There's the hoodie. Different colors. Sorry, it's a little hard to switch the colors. There's the gray, and then we got a pink for the ladies. There we go. Unless you're a guy that likes pink, then there you go. So this is probably my favorite color. I'm gonna order one actually for myself as well. So I really like this hoodie. So if you guys are interested, go check out that link in the description below. And best of luck to the winner. Don't forget to stay tuned for the video on my Instagram. So go and follow FatScat392, and I'll be releasing the video at 11 o'clock sharp on Sunday. So explain the whole thing. If you guys missed out, well, I'm sorry. You have to wait till the next giveaway, because I'm not doing this on YouTube. Not doing the giveaway on YouTube technically, because last time we did it, I feel like there's a lot of people that just wasn't subscribed that tried to enter. So yeah, we're gonna see how this way works and see how it goes. So good luck to the winner, and yeah, we're gonna get on it. Also, I got some new decals, social media decals as well. I'm gonna show you guys down below when we go back downstairs. I've already put them on the car. I got them in gold, so we'll check those out as well. They came in the mail recently. Took 2 weeks from UPS. A little too long, but anyhow, let's get started. See you guys when we start going to the meet.